How to get Soundboard on laptop or PC. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your preferred browser, then simply search for voice mode. This is the one that you would be looking for. Now tap on it. Here, as you can see, this also has a real-time voice changer as well as Soundboard. Now all you have to do is tap on download for free. Now it will lead you in this interface. Now, all you have to do now is create your voice mode account and then you will get a download link. You can log in using your Google or also your Discord as well. Tap on continue. And once you are signed in and your activation is success, your download will be started over here. After it is downloaded, simply install it in your device and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.